The Galaxy S25 series is almost here. See every color revealed. Attention Galaxy fans. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 series is almost here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone launches yet. If you're a true fan of Samsung's innovation and design, this is your moment to shine. Stick around till the end. We've got a special surprise just for you. As we inch closer to the official launch date, the buzz around the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra is reaching a fever pitch. Thanks to a fresh leak from Android headlines, we now have a glimpse of these devices in nearly every stunning color they'll be offered in. Let's dive into the details. Galaxy S25 series colors. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a head-turner with its premium finishes, available in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, titanium white silver. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, Samsung is bringing vibrant options like ice blue, mint, navy, silver shadow. While these names sound impressive, Samsung may tweak them when officially marketing the phones. Additionally, Samsung has confirmed that exclusive online-only colors will be available for each model. These options will only be sold through Samsung's official website, adding an extra layer of exclusivity. Galaxy S25 launch details. Mark your calendars. Samsung has teased its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where the Galaxy S25 series will make its grand debut. The official launch date is set for January 22nd, with pre-orders already open for eager fans. Exclusive early bird rewards. If you're planning to upgrade, Samsung's reservation program offers enticing perks. $50 credit. Get $50 off your Galaxy S25 purchase just by reserving your device. Trade-in offers. Receive up to $900 for trading in your old device. Grand prizes. Some lucky Galaxy S25 owners could win a $5,000 gift card. These offers are only available in select markets, so don't wait too long to sign up. S Pen changes on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now let's talk about a potential shakeup. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might see changes to its iconic S Pen. According to leaks, via @AshanaGarwal24, the S Pen may lose Bluetooth connectivity, which would mean no more air actions or using the S Pen button as a remote camera shutter. This news might disappoint fans who've grown to love these features, but there's a glimmer of hope. Samsung could adopt ultra-wideband UWB technology for the S Pen, enabling exciting new possibilities like precise tracking in SmartThings Find. While nothing is confirmed, we'll have to wait until the official launch for clarity. Why the Galaxy S25 series is worth the hype. From the cutting-edge design to the powerful features, the Galaxy S25 series promises to deliver on all fronts. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasking pro, or just someone who loves a sleek device, there's something in the Galaxy S25 lineup for everyone. Your surprise awaits. Here's the cherry on top. Samsung's early adoption bonuses are just the beginning. If you're one of the first to pre-order the Galaxy S25, you'll also gain access to exclusive gifts that haven't even been announced yet. Imagine owning not just a phone, but a complete experience that's tailored to you. So, what are you waiting for? Mark your calendars, reserve your Galaxy S25 today, and prepare to be amazed. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't miss the Unpacked event on January 22nd. The future of smartphones is almost here, and it's brighter than ever. Galaxy S25 Slim, the perfect balance of power and elegance? Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation, and this time, it's with a device that seems almost too good to be true. The Galaxy S25 Slim. Rumored to launch in the second quarter of 2025, this sleek addition to the Galaxy S25 lineup has been the talk of the tech world. With leaks pouring in about its specs, design, and performance, it's hard not to get excited. But are these rumors credible, or is this just another case of overhyped expectations? Let's dive deep into what we know so far and see if the Galaxy S25 Slim is truly a game changer. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Slim is its stunning 6.66-inch AMOLED display, the same size as the Galaxy S25 Plus. However, that's where the similarities end. Samsung is reportedly packing this device with an incredible camera system that could rival even the most premium flagship phones. According to leaks, the phone will feature a 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP5 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and another 50-megapixel telephoto camera with an impressive 3.5x optical zoom. This trio of flagship-grade cameras, combined with Samsung's expertise in computational photography, promises breathtaking photos and videos. Whether you're capturing expansive landscapes or zooming in for detailed close-ups, the Galaxy S25 Slim could redefine smartphone photography. Performance is another area where the Galaxy S25 Slim appears to shine. It's expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, the same processor powering the rest of the Galaxy S25 lineup. This chipset is built for peak performance and efficiency, ensuring seamless multitasking, lag-free gaming, and exceptional AI-driven features. In regions where Exynos processors are typically used, Samsung may introduce the Exynos 2500, which is rumored to bring significant performance improvements over its predecessor. While the Exynos version might not match the Snapdragon 8 Elite's raw power, it's expected to handle any task with ease and bring advanced features like Wi-Fi 7. What truly sets the Galaxy S25 Slim apart, however, is its design. At a rumored thickness of just 6.x millimeters, this could be Samsung's slimmest smartphone yet. Despite its ultra-thin profile, the device is said to house a battery with a capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh. This combination of a slim body and a large battery is almost unheard of, making it perfect for users who want a sleek, lightweight phone without compromising on battery life. For those who prefer a high-end smartphone experience without the added bulk of features like the S Pen, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be a dream come true. Samsung seems to be addressing a unique segment of the market with the Galaxy S25 Slim. It's a phone for users who crave top-tier performance, cutting-edge cameras, and excellent battery life but prefer a minimalist design. With its flagship-level specs, the device could attract consumers who are not fond of larger, heavier phones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra or the feature-packed Galaxy S25 Plus. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to launch in the second quarter of 2025, possibly alongside some Galaxy A series devices. While pricing details remain unclear, Samsung could shake up the flagship market if it positions the Galaxy S25 Slim competitively. The question now is whether the company can deliver on the high expectations set by these leaks. With features that sound almost too good to be true, the Galaxy S25 Slim has the potential to be a groundbreaking device or a massive disappointment. For now, all eyes are on Samsung as we await official confirmation of these details. If the rumors are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Slim could be the perfect balance of power, elegance, and innovation, appealing to a wide range of users. What do you think about this upcoming smartphone? Could it live up to the hype, or is this just wishful thinking? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned to Giga Guide for all the latest updates on the Galaxy S25 series and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech world. Until next time.